Want to create a smooth boomerang effect in CapCut? Here's how you can do it. First, open the CapCut app on your device and start a new project. Select the video clip where you want to apply the boomerang effect and add it to your timeline. Next, tap on a video in the timeline and scroll through the editing tools until you find the duplicate option. Make several copies of your clip. The number of copies depends on how long you want the boomerang to loop. Now go to the second video clip on your timeline, scroll to the bottom toolbar and select reverse. Wait a few moments for CapCut to process the clip. Repeat this step for every other clip. For example, reverse clip 2, 4, 6 and so on. Once you have reversed every alternate clip, play back the sequence. You'll now notice your video moves forward and backward seamlessly, creating that smooth boomerang effect. And that's it. You have successfully made a boomerang in CapCut. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.